We're going to show you how to copy a legal size document on your HP DeskJet 4300 printer series. In order to do that, we need to do some settings on the printer. So let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Scroll down until you see printer settings. View all. Select tray and paper. If you get a prompt, simply go to advanced and proceed to the IP address. Now you need to log in using the PIN, and that can be found on the package access door. So key in the PIN and submit. So under paper format for large, you need to change it to legal size. Once that is done, select apply. You are now ready to copy your legal size document. So this is a 2-page legal size document that we are going to copy. We will use the automatic document feeder. Next, let's load in some legal size paper. Lift the input tray and load in the paper. Press on the color copy button. So this is the legal size copy, page 1 and page 2. So this is how you copy a legal size document on your HP DeskJet 4300 printer series.